My day 11. Reading practice. Panchatantra story. A moon in a well. After this, listening practice. SRK interview. Now, speaking practice. In front of mirror. Topic: the same story which I read. A moon in a well. Next, my writing practice. And topic is same. A moon and the monkeys. Next, vocabulary. 5 vocabulary. Attention, message, journey, effort, advice. And here are sentences from this vocabulary words. Next, verb, and here are all forms of verbs. And day 11 topic is future tense. I studied about future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect and future perfect continuous tense. And I also practiced some examples. And last one is homework practice. I practiced 60 sentences. I picked 60 Hindi sentences and translate them into English. Thank you so much for watching and all the best for your journey too. See you soon.